Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina, and today is Friday, August 20th. First up, we were on Spectrum News on Wednesday, so if you didn't get a chance to check that out, go to our Facebook page and you'll see the link for it right there, talking about making homemade masks, which I think every single one of you has done over the past year and a half. Now, today we have kind of a mishmash. We used to call this buffet at my house, where you just go into the pantry and find whatever you want for dinner. And that's kind of what this feels like today. So first up, we have a very cute Happy Holidays print with Snoopy on it. Snoopy's got some antlers there, and it's just really adorable print. That could be a lovely first year stocking at the fireplace for a little one. Next up, if you are a dachshund fan, of which we have several here in the shop staff, you're going to love these dachshunds in fall. I'm going sort of opposite chronology here. And then we'll back up to Halloween with this crazy batik print by Anthology. So that's actually a batik, and this is dark blue, black, kind of a combo blue-black. But that could be part of a really fun batik fall or Halloween quilt. Next up, we have two new pillow kits from Riley Blake Designs. This one is, let's see, September. And they make 20-inch pillows, and they are envelope backs. So if you have one pillow form, you can make a pillow for every month. And this is obviously October's pillow pattern. The boxes are really nice. It makes a really nice gift. So if you're looking for a gift for someone and you don't know exactly what to get them, one of these little Riley Blake pillow pattern kits would be a great thing to do. Today is Fat Quarter Friday. Today we have Sunburst, curated by Julie C. Julie is now back in college, but we appreciate her efforts. It looks like we've got a lot of Cafe in this one. And there's one of the Sassaman hand dyes. Oh boy, she went all out. There's all kinds of things in this collection. Look at those two florals. So that just goes to show you can take things from all different collections and make a beautiful combination with them. We do have some fat quarter patterns here in the shop, along with a couple of samples that use exactly 6 fat quarters. So be sure to come in and ask about those so you'll know what to do with your fat quarter bundle when you buy it. Next up, we have really cute bag panels from Ruby Star Society. So first, let me show you the bag panel, and then I'll show you what you can make with it. The idea behind this is you can make reusable and washable gift bags. So instead of those beat up paper bags where you've crossed out a name and folded it over and taped it and untaped it, these panels can make some beautiful bags. And then this is a fat quarter panel that coordinates. So if you wanted to buy a fat quarter panel for the back of the bag, you could have coordinating front and back pieces. So yesterday when I was at home, I created the bags out of the bag panels. So this is just a very simple drawstring bag. I got some really fun ribbon at another store in Cary that shall not be named. And I just created a cute little drawstring bag. You just zip up the drawstrings, put your stuff inside. And so these are the other ones from the pillow panel. We have an octopus. Sorry, not pillow panel, bag panel. I've got pillows on the brain. There's a really cute little mouse. This is, of course, geared towards all of us. And then a happy holidays. And you can find lots of really fun ribbon that will go with at stores that sell ribbon. And then I got excited because I had some extra ribbon. So I went ahead and made some all occasion bags with my extra ribbon. So this is some fabric we had in the shop. I don't think we have it anymore, but we used to. Love You More. So that could be kind of an any occasion bag. And then I made a small bag out of my scraps from Red Barn Christmas, because I just made a sample quilt for the shop using that. So you can make any size. It's super versatile, and I've actually created a blog post with all of the directions on how to make these bags on our website. So I will link to that in the descriptions of this video. And that is what we have for you today. So hopefully you've seen something here that you like. I hope you have a great weekend, and we'll see you back here on Monday. Bye.